Writing Effective Resume Statements is brought to you by the MBA internship team at Vancouver Island University. What is a skill statement? A skill statement in a resume expresses a level of skill that you have demonstrated in your past experience. It can come from work, volunteering, school, and it answers the employer's question: does this person have the skills required to do this job? Action, task, result are the three components of every skill statement. Action. Begin your skill statement with a past tense verb that clearly indicates the skill you are expressing. Task. This is where you add the relevant, specific details about your skill. To help in writing this part of the skill statement, ask yourself who, what, when, where, why, and how. This exercise will help you to express the scope or level of your skill. Result. Employers want to see what the results of your actions have been. Quantify numerically whenever possible. If the results are intangible, it is still important to express them. Writing tips. Use a specific example of a skill. Avoid generalities and choose the example that best shows your highest level of skill. For instance, if you have done many presentations at school and work, but you have also presented at a conference, that is the skill statement that you should choose. Statements should be no longer than 2 lines. If you go longer, it is probably too wordy. Much shorter, and you are likely not adding enough detail. Never use personal pronouns such as I, they, him, them. Example number 1. Conducted training programs for managers only describes the skill. What it lacks is detail and result. Conducted communications training program adds the type of training, and facilitating internal promotions and decreasing staff turnover communicates results and value to the employer. Example number 2. Assisted in company-wide HR decisions lacks detail about how, what, and result. The revised statement, assisted in company-wide HR decisions by consulting with department managers, adds the how, and to identify opportunities to avoid underemployment of staff tells why. The remainder of the statement, increasing productivity by 25% in 1 year, gives the result. Skill statements are a critical part of the resume. Help the employer to quickly identify and recognize your skills, your past experience, and the results you achieved. These statements must be succinct, detailed, and targeted to the position. You want to show the employer that what you have done and achieved will transfer into the position you are hoping to land.